In this video, I'm going to show you the kind of template I would tend to use to record a podcast really quickly and easily. So once I've done my recording, I'll maybe be recording an interview, say, do a 20-minute interview, and then I'll go and record a 5-minute intro after that, just summarising what's coming up, giving the news of the week, the general intro to, say, Podcraft as a podcast. Then I'll load up a standard template. So this file here shows what a standard default template might look like. I'll actually load this up and then click Save As, and then save it as the actual episode number. So this will be, say, Podcraft-default, and then I'll save as Podcraft-504. And then I bring in my recordings. So I'll bring in the introduction, I'll place that over on the left here, and then I'll bring in the main recording, put that in the middle. And then all I'm doing is lining up these sections, which I'll just show you. So the intro is right at the start, of course.
Welcome to Pod.
It's the intro for the show. And then we go on to a little transition.
The podcast host, honing your skills. Get your free equipment buyer's guide at
Okay, and then we go on to the outro. And the outro has a little fade in as well. So if I click there, here it starts to fade in. So all I need to do is line that up with the end of the interview. So that's all I would do. I would have that, save it as a new file, bring in the actual recordings, and then I can export from there. You'll also see, if you search my YouTube channel for chains, Audacity chains, that can save you a lot of time as well. You can go to chains, you can actually process the audio there. So if you don't actually need to do any editing to the content, all you're doing is literally bringing in the recordings, applying those chains to them, and then you're done. That's your podcast episode finished. So I hope that helps you save a bit of time in your podcasting. I'll see you on the next video.